let the circle of radius r. We can see that here this is the part of a circle of radius r. So we know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and also we know that the area of rectangle length into breadth. Now we arrange this circle in two different color. You can see here are total 16 parts and 8 is the yellow part. This is the half circle, and red is also there are 8 parts. So this is once again half circle, and half circle means semicircle. Clear? We know very well that total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So half part means yellow part, the length of the boundary, that is half perimeter of circle. This is pi r, and red is also pi r. Now we arrange this circle into the rectangular form. Let us see. So here this semicircle, red part, and the semicircle of yellow part converted in this form. So we can say that this is the form of rectangle. Clear? And you just see that the length of red part, that is half circumference of the circle is pi r. So the length of rectangle is pi r. Similarly, yellow part also in the circumference, half circumference of the circle. So once again this is the pi r, and the radius of the circle is r. So the breadth of the circle is this rectangle is r. If length and breadth you know, then you can find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means formula is length into breadth. The length is given here pi r, and breadth is given here r. So you can write here that is pi r into r. R is the breadth, just equal to the radius of circle, and length, this is just equal to the half circumference of the circle. This is also known as perimeter. Okay, so pi r into r, how much it? Pi r square. Say loudly. Pi r square, and this is the area of the circle. We have verified using rectangle. Whole circle is converted into the form of rectangle, and the length of rectangle is pi r, and breadth of the rectangle is r, and the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So pi r into r, that is pi r square. And now this is the term for units. What is the unit of area? Area is not, there is not meter, centimeter, kilometer, decameter. So you will write for the area square units. But it is given that meter, centimeter, kilometer, decameter, hectometer, decimeter, everything. So you can write here square centimeter, square kilometer, square decameter, square hectometer. So here we have verified the area of the circle through the activity. Whole circle is converted into the rectangle, and to find the area of rectangle, so we can calculate the area of circle